Upbeat music plays, camera zooms in on the table with both PSUs displayed. Hey there, smart shoppers! Today, we're diving into a comparison of the NZXT C850 and the NZXT C750 power supplies. It's a battle of efficiency, modularity, and price. So let's find out which one is the better choice for your gaming rig. First, let's discuss the price. The NZXT C850 is priced at $139, while the C750 comes in at a slightly lower price of $129. Many reviewers appreciate the affordability of the C750, highlighting that it offers great value for the power it provides. One user stated that the C750 was a great power supply for the price, allowing them to save money for other components. Meanwhile, the C850 is noted for its robust performance and additional features, making it a worthy investment for those willing to spend a bit more. Next up is efficiency. Both PSUs achieve a conversion efficiency that exceeds the 80+ gold standard at 50% load, ensuring that less power is wasted. Reviewers of the C850 noted its high-quality hardware and efficient power usage, which contribute to better overall performance. Similarly, the C750 is praised for its efficiency and performance, with users affirming that it provides a reliable power supply for various builds. Both units are seen as excellent choices for anyone looking to maximize their system's performance while minimizing energy waste. Now, let's talk about modularity. Both the C850 and C750 are fully modular, allowing users to only use the cables they need. This feature has received positive feedback from many reviewers, who appreciate the clean look it gives their setups. However, some users mentioned that the cables can be stiff and difficult to manage. Despite this, both models provide quality sheathing and management options, making them a solid choice for those looking to maintain a tidy interior in their PC cases. When it comes to compatibility, both models fit most ATX cases and support the latest NVIDIA and AMD GPUs. Reviewers have noted that both units work seamlessly with various components, making them versatile options for any build. One user with a dual GPU setup found the C750 to be more than sufficient for their needs, while another praised the C850 for its ability to support a wide range of CPU-GPU combos. This makes either PSU a great choice for future upgrades. Protection mechanisms are crucial for any power supply, and both the C850 and C750 feature microcontrollers that monitor current, voltage, and output wattage. Reviewers appreciate these safety features, as they ensure their components are protected from potential damage. The C850 has been highlighted for its reliability in this regard, while the C750 also garners praise for its protective capabilities, making them both trustworthy options for any gamer. Finally, let's consider noise level. Both PSUs are designed to run quietly, which is a significant plus for gamers who prefer a silent setup. Reviewers have noted that both the C850 and C750 operate silently, allowing users to focus on their games without distractions. One user even mentioned that they could hear a pin drop while their PSU was running, underscoring the effectiveness of the noise optimization in both models. Overall, both the NZXT C850 and C750 power supplies have received positive reviews from users, with each product excelling in different areas. The C850 is often praised for its premium features and robust performance, while the C750 is recognized for its affordability and great value. Both models have their strengths, making them appealing to different types of users. So which one should you grab? If saving 10 bucks sounds good to you, the C750 might be the way to go. But if you're after a bit more wattage and performance, the C850 is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Until next time, keep your wallets happy and your PCs powered.